Hey, I want to tell you a story today, and this isn't just any story. It's a story about life, choices, and time. Because the truth is, time doesn't wait for anyone. Not you, not me, not anyone. There's a guy named Aaron. He's 28 years old. By the outside world, he seems to have it all. A stable job, a decent apartment, friends he talks to occasionally. But inside, there's this quiet emptiness, a feeling that something is missing. And I'm telling you this because maybe, just maybe, you feel the same way. Aaron used to dream, big dreams. He loved to paint. He loved music. He loved ideas that made him feel alive. But somewhere along the way, he put all those dreams on hold. I'll do it later, he told himself. And maybe you've told yourself the same thing. But let me tell you, waiting is the biggest thief of your life. If you keep waiting, if you keep saying later, you will lose time. And the time you lose, you can never get back. So listen carefully. This story isn't just about Aaron. It's about you. And it's about the choices you make today. Don't wait. Start now. Aaron spent years in what many people call comfort. A safe job, a routine life, and endless scrolling on social media. And let me tell you, if you are doing the same, stop for a second and think. Are you really living? Or are you just waiting? Don't wait for the perfect moment. Don't wait until you feel ready. That perfect moment, it doesn't exist. Life happens while you're busy waiting. And that's exactly what Aaron realized one night. One night, he saw a post on social media. An old friend, someone he hadn't spoken to in years. Traveling the world, creating things, living fully. And for the first time in a long while, Aaron felt a pang, a mix of regret and inspiration. He thought, I've wasted so much time. Why am I still waiting? And that's when it hit him. Fear had been holding him back. Fear of failing. Fear of judgment. Fear of stepping outside the comfort zone. But fear was stealing his life. And here's what I want to tell you. Fear is the one thing you cannot afford to follow. Fear is the voice that keeps you small. Don't listen to it. Not today, not tomorrow. You need to start right now. Take one small step. Just one. It could be waking up 30 minutes earlier, writing down your goals, reconnecting with someone you've lost touch with, doing something that makes you feel alive. That's how change begins. Small steps lead to big changes. Change doesn't happen overnight. Don't expect it to. Aaron started small. He began journaling every morning, even if it was just for 5 minutes. He picked up his guitar again, even though he hadn't played in years. He tried painting, failing at first, but slowly improving. That's how life moves forward, step by step, day by day. And listen carefully. This is important. Don't expect perfection. Don't wait until everything is just right. You will never feel completely ready. That's the trap that keeps most people stuck. Don't fall into it. Take imperfect action now. You might fail. You will probably fail. And that's okay. Failure is proof that you are trying. Failure is proof that you are alive. Stop fearing it. Embrace it. And let it teach you. That's what Aaron did. And that's what you can do too. Here's another thing. Don't compare your life to anyone else's. Social media, friends, coworkers, they all have different journeys. Your journey is yours. Focus on your growth. Focus on your progress. Start building your life, one step at a time. And most importantly, don't waste time waiting for approval. Don't wait for someone to tell you it's okay to follow your dreams. You don't need permission. You just need courage. And today, you have it. Living fully before it's too late. Months passed for Aaron, and he began to see the change. His mornings felt lighter. His evenings felt richer. He laughed more. He created more. He connected more. And slowly, he understood something powerful. Happiness doesn't come from waiting. It comes from starting. It comes from doing. It comes from being present. You, yes you, listening right now, I want you to hear this. Life doesn't wait for anyone. Your dreams don't wait. Your time doesn't wait. Don't waste another day thinking later. Start now. Even if it's one small step. Even if it's uncomfortable. Even if it's scary. Start today. And remember this. Fear is normal. Doubts are normal. Struggle is normal. But giving up is not an option. You have one life, one chance, one opportunity. And that opportunity is now. So here's my challenge to you. Take one action today that your future self will thank you for. Write it down. Do it. Start living fully before it's too late. Because you deserve it. And the world deserves to see the best version of you. Aaron finally did it. He stopped waiting. He started living. And today, so can you.